Hello everyone. Today's video brings you tragic 45 shocking moments of animals, kicking a gripping and dramatic collection of jaw-dropping moments where animals react with sudden, powerful kicks, revealing their intense survival instincts and the unpredictable, often dangerous realities of the natural world. Continuing our journey into these deadly kicks, today we dive deeper into even more displays of raw power. Think again, because sometimes the greatest danger doesn't come from the front, it strikes from behind. If a horse is like a cannon firing straight ahead, then a cow is a Muay Thai fighter, delivering a dangerously precise and vicious sidekick known as the cow kick. Do you think that simply standing clear of the animal's hindquarters is enough to keep you safe? That mistake could cost you your life. The deadly difference lies in the structure of the hip joint. Unlike horses, which can only kick straight backward, cows are capable of swinging their hind legs sideways in a wide, powerful arc. This means a cow's danger zone extends not only behind it, but also along both of its sides. A lightning-fast sweeping kick can be unleashed even when you are standing behind it. This is exactly why seasoned cowboys always say, it's better to face a bull's horns than to taste the heel of a horse. In less than 0.1 second, faster than a blink of an eye, the horse's brain triggers its defensive reflex. Two rock-hard hooves made of solid keratin shoot forward like twin cannonballs. This impact doesn't just shatter ribs, it can also deliver devastating internal organ shock. In particular, a cow's hooves are split into two parts, creating hard, sharp edges that make the strike even more dangerous. Upon impact, thousands of pounds of force concentrate on these edges, driving through muscle and destroying everything beneath the surface. What makes it even more dangerous is that a cow can kick without any wind-up at all. When cornered, Deer don't just run, they stand their ground and fight like true warriors. Have you ever seen a deer unleash a powerful backward kick? It's so fast that even a standard camera can struggle to capture it. With sharp, rock-hard hooves, a deer's kick can generate terrifying force powerful enough to fracture a skull or cause fatal internal bleeding in predators that get too close. A deer goes one-on-one with a human on the beach. Even in domesticated horses, this power is undiminished. A well-placed kick to the chest can cause the heart to stop instantly. A horse's hooves, made of keratin as tough as steel, function like a warhead upon impact. When combined with thousands of pounds of muscular force, it generates an immense, penetrating shockwave. In the wild, very few creatures are brave enough to take a direct kick from a horse and remain standing. So here is a sincere warning. Never test a horse's patience while standing within the firing zone behind it. This means that even if you are standing directly behind their hindquarters, they can still keep you perfectly locked in their sights. Did you know that every year, more people are killed by cow attacks than by shark attacks? The most frightening cause is human overconfidence when approaching these animals. The most horrifying scenarios usually unfold in confined spaces, such as squeeze chutes or narrow passageways. When a cow goes into a rage, it doesn't just kick. It uses its massive body weight to pin its target into a helpless position. Don't be deceived by a goat's seemingly clueless expression and horizontal pupils. These animals are actually elite climbers with astonishing explosive leg power. In the livestock world, farmers don't rely on dogs to protect herds from wolves, they rely on donkeys. In the animal kingdom, goats are considered true acrobats, capable of leaping across sheer cliffs while simultaneously unleashing powerful backward kicks. Have you ever seen a goat go into a frenzy? They don't just kick straight backward, they can launch off the ground, twist mid-air, and deliver a devastating double kick at their opponent. Don't focus only on the massive horns charging toward you, because behind those rippling muscles lies a steel spring system capable of launching a fully grown man several meters away. But above all, human awareness is the key slowing down in hazardous areas, staying focused, and respecting the life around us. But the donkey's most dangerous trick is its ability to bite and kick at the same time. That force isn't just a pushback, it's a penetrating impact powerful enough to shatter ribs, crush internal organs, or end an attacker on the spot. Whether it's a wild horse or a trained farm steed, the golden rule remains the same. Never stand in the danger zone behind them. One brief lapse, a sharp cracking sound, and it's over before you even realize what just happened. Vehicles cannot react in time, leading to multi-vehicle accidents. It sounds like a gunshot, and that is the sound of pure, destructive power. Through Tragic 45, shocking moments of animals kicking, we've witnessed moments that are both shocking and deeply thought-provoking. How did you feel watching them? And in your opinion, what are the main causes and lessons to be learned? Share your thoughts in the comments before the video ends. And the more we watch, the clearer it becomes that each kick is not just a sudden outburst, but the result of fear, tension, and deeply rooted survival instincts being pushed to their limits. These scenes are both shocking and haunting because a single second of carelessness is enough to send everything completely out of control. It is this raw realism and intensity that give the video its powerful impact, forcing us to rethink how humans approach, observe, and interact with the animal world around us. In this video, we will take a closer look at the sheer power behind animals' forceful kicks as they unfold in situations no one could ever anticipate. Each moment happens in the blink of an eye, yet the consequences are powerful enough to leave you genuinely shaken. When confronted by members of their own kind, animals often have very few options to choose from. These kicks are unleashed in a split second. It may happen in the midst of a fierce struggle for territory. A tense, electrifying atmosphere hangs over every single frame. Just one small mistake is enough to completely change the outcome. Incidents in which horses kick donkeys are not uncommon on farms or in shared grazing areas where different animals are raised together. Horses possess extremely strong defensive reflexes with their hind legs, especially when they feel their personal space is being invaded, are startled from behind, or become involved in competition over food. Horses kicking goats is no exception, either when they are kept together within the same farm environment. Meanwhile, donkeys tend to have a stubborn and curious nature, often moving in close to observe or search for food, unintentionally triggering stress in horses and provoking sudden, aggressive reactions. These kicks usually occur at lightning speed, with little to no warning beforehand. In many other situations, these powerful kicks occur not only between animals, but also between animals and humans. When humans move too close, animals perceive a potential threat, causing their instinct for self-defense to rise instantly. They do not think long-term, they simply react in the moment to protect themselves. Just 1 second of carelessness could cause a serious accident. Some people are left in a state of panic. Others have no time to react, and in just a few seconds, harmless curiosity turns into a very real danger. A clear example is the curiosity of a woman on the beach, where that very curiosity caused a bull to panic and charge at her. Fortunately, she escaped the incident without serious harm. Accidents involving livestock kicking inside barns are no exception either, likely because even farm owners cannot always anticipate these sudden situations. Animals are not aggressive without a reason. And the collision happens in an instant. The car speeds and almost hits a cow while driving in the wrong lane. a watchful stare, a tense posture, and then everything explodes in a single instant. It appears that this man failed to anticipate the danger lurking beneath the surface. Horses have extremely strong defensive reflexes through their hind legs, especially when their personal space is invaded, when they are startled from behind, or when competition over food occurs. Horses are highly sensitive to movement behind them and can deliver a powerful kick at any moment.